What's up, everyone? I'm here with Gutter Fighting Secrets today. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good, man. How are you?
Rocking and rolling, motherfucker. Well, hey, we're excited to be back and here to create some more content for you guys that's going to help you with your self-defense, mindset, and everything, so you guys can not only learn how to defend yourself in a situation, but be more mindful in your life so you can get ahead with your confidence, your business, your dating goals, whatever it is you're trying to do, because it's important that you cover these concepts when you're doing anything. Right?
Absolutely, it is, man. And it's important to be able to really concentrate and focus in on your goals and what you want in life. And I think that through living the warrior lifestyle, we're able to really gain that confidence, gain that singularity, that focus of the mind, and attack what we want to attack and go for what we want in life.
Well, rock on, I like that. And today, our concept's going to be, we're going to talk about mindfulness and how that's important, not only in real life, but when you're fighting in a situation where you're defending yourself. Because that being aware and mindful is very important if you want to get out of a situation where you feel threatened, correct?
I think so. And you look at the samurai of old, right? And the warriors of old, and meditation was always a big thing for them, right? Mm-hmm. And it was about emptying the mind, stilling the mind, and being very focused and very singular. And of course, in combat, we need to be focused and singular as well, while also expanding our horizons, expanding our perception to realize, hey, is there an enemy behind me while I'm fighting this guy off? Or, hey, what's going on around me while I am defending myself? It's very important to be not only singular of mind, but also mindful and expand your mind, expand your horizon, expand your situational awareness outside of just what's going on in front of you to encompass everything that's going on around you as well.
Right, exactly. And in real life too, when you're going through shit in life, when you're going through something bad happens, you have a bad day, or you're just dealing with another person, it's also important to be mindful as well, because if you're just in your head and you're letting your emotions take control over you, you're not going to be able to handle that situation properly. And even in fighting too, sometimes if you get all emotional, you lose your focus and everything.
Absolutely, Robin. We always say that emotions have absolutely no place in fighting. Mm-hmm. And you don't want to be emotional at all. An emotional man is a weak man, right? So we want to kill that, honestly, quite frankly speaking. And I'm not saying to be emotionless in life in general, but I'm saying specifically when it comes to fighting and defending yourself, emotions have absolutely no place. So we want to kill that, we want to take that out of our life, and we want to be, again, singularly focused on what's in front of us and our enemy, but while also being able to expand our horizons to focus on what's around us. And we can take that into what you guys do, is, hey, yes, let me focus on my goal that's in front of me, but let me not be so focused on that goal that I ignore, the people that are important to me in my life and the work and everything in my career. We need to be concentrating on everything, I think.
Right, exactly. And for you guys who are watching this as well too, if you're trying to go out there and you want to meet a girl and everything, if you get in all your emotions, you're gonna get stuck in your comfort zone and everything. You're not gonna take action. Whereas if you learn to be mindful, just focus on going out there, focus on doing, I should say, rather than on your emotions. That's really gonna help you, get over that hurdle when you get that anxiety. Because a lot of guys, they have anxiety to talk with women. And when I talk to them a lot, they're always have all these things going in their head. She won't want to talk to me because of this. They come up with all these excuses. And because they're not present, they're not mindful, they're letting that control them. But when you can learn to detach yourself from that, that's really going to help you take the action that you need. And you can apply that to anything else in your life when you're dealing with a situation. So you're dealing with you're having a colleague at work and stuff, and it's really getting on your nerves and everything. You can't just overreact and be an asshole. You got to be mindful of the situation and deal with it properly and solve it.
Absolutely. And that reactive mindset is a bitch mindset. If you're reactive, you're a weak man. Don't be weak, right? Be strong. And through warrior training, through training your mind and your body and your spirit to be an offensive weapon, you will thusly kill that weak spirit within you. And I know that men these days are frankly cowards and they are frankly weak. And if that's something that maybe resonates with you, well, let's kill that, all right? Let's live the warrior lifestyle. Let's go and do some freaking push-ups, right? Let's go and do some damn cardio, lift some weights, and become a man.
Right, you know what? And there's a saying, a guy, he doesn't react, he just does.
Yes.
He does, and just goes with the flow of the situation. And that's how you can apply that to combat and everything.
Go with it, man. Just let it happen.
Well, rock on, and I'm really interested for today's lesson. Again, we'll be applying these concepts as you're teaching me some techniques.
Man, I'm excited. Let's do it.
Rock on.